Hi, I'm Willie. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you need IT consulting, go to williehowe.com, click the Hire Us button or the contact form, fill that information out, and someone will be in touch with you as soon as possible. You can also support the channel by subscribing, liking, and using our clearly marked affiliate links down below. What we're going to look at here is we've talked about the UniFi ports that are required to do management of UniFi, especially over the internet. Now, I've run into a situation where a few people have ports exposed that we should never expose to the internet. And that's what we're going to look at here. So I'll reference this list again, and you can see even over on the Ubiquiti site, they differentiate between local incoming ports and incoming ports required for L3 management over the internet. So there are 3 ports that we've seen open to the internet. And the first one is this MongoDB, the 27117. And you should never expose your database directly to the internet. In fact, if you go over to MongoDB and you look at their security checklist, they tell you to not do that, to basically filter this and limit network exposure. Ensure that MongoDB runs in a trusted network environment and configure firewall or security groups to control inbound and outbound traffic for your MongoDB instances. Disable direct SSH access. Allow only trusted clients to access the network interfaces and ports. So you're saying, well, Ubiquiti though configures it ahead of time. You know what? Things happen. Always be looking to lower your attack surface. You don't want to make your attack surface bigger. That's ridiculous. So make sure that you're not exposing your MongoDB port. And then also there is UDP, by the way, the 27117, if I didn't say it, is TCP. Then there's UDP 10001, which is the Ubiquiti Discovery Protocol. And if you remember a few years back, we had this problem where devices that had that open to the internet were being attacked. So once again, do not open your device discovery to the internet. You're asking for trouble. These are things that are supposed to run on a local network, not the internet. Limit that exposure, shrink that attack surface as much as you can. Then the other one is UDP 1900, and a lot of people have not even heard of UDP 1900, but that is the port that is used for make the application discoverable on the L2 network. So if you go into UniFi and there's that checkbox that says make controller discoverable on L2 network, that's what this is. You should never expose that to the internet either. The only ports that you should expose to the internet if needed are the L3 ports. And we've gone over that before. I'll go over them here real quick. UDP 3478 for stun. TCP 8080 is your inform port. And now if you're using a UniFi OS console and you want to open the web UI, you're going to be looking for port 443. You're also going to be looking for 8443. If that is just an install of UniFi, that's that default port. And then if you're going to use the portal redirection, you're looking at TCP 8843. And then the UniFi mobile speed test uses TCP 6789. So once again, if you are relying on a third party to manage your firewall and you have your UniFi controller on site, go check, have them do an audit and make sure they only have the ports open that they need. You definitely should be limiting your attack surface. So make sure that you only have the ports open that you need. And that goes for more than just UniFi. You should only have the ports open that you need to get things done. It's kind of like the concept of least privilege, right? So we only have things open that we need. And if you like this video or you have questions, first of all, if you have questions, let me know down in the comments. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please comment and share. Please follow me on Twitter and TikTok. Those links are down below. All the links I talked about in the beginning for supporting the channel, those are all down below. Once again, I'm Willie. I want to thank you for being here. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.